Hey y'all, it's Kai here. You know, as a chicken lady, I always want to know new things that I can use for my girls during summertime to keep them cool so they're not dehydrated. And I'm sure you want to do the same for your flock. Hydro-Hen is the way to go. I've tried it before and love the product. So make sure you give it a try and I'll show you how to properly put it into your chicken's watering container. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so now we about to make our picture of Hydro-Hen for our baby chicks. This picture is going into this brooder box over here, AKA the smaller chicken coop. We're gonna open it up. Y'all, if y'all have never smelled this, to me, it smells like vanilla, like vanilla milk powder. That's weird, honey. I don't know. It comes with a scoop. We're gonna put 1 scoop. It tells you to add 1 scoop, okay? And this makes up to 22 1-gallon servings. Make sure you put your little scooper back in there. Don't be like me and lose stuff, okay? Hera, don't eat that. Even the dog want it. Maybe dogs need it. I don't know. Manna Pro, let me know. Can dogs have it? And we're gonna fill it all the way up as much as possible. It smells so good. There we go. There we go. Okay, okay. We're gonna put the top back on this bad boy. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go put this over in the chicken coop, the little bitty one, and give it to my babies. Till next time, you guys, don't forget, get you some Hydro-Hen. And let them know Kai sent you, okay? Love you, mean it. See y'all next time. Bye.